Hello friends, welcome back to the another video of our IT Buddies channel. So do you want to change the background of your image because sometimes what happens, the picture of you is actually nice but the background of your image is not good, so you don't post it on Instagram or Facebook and you don't put it as a profile picture on WhatsApp because your background is not good. So do you want to change that or replace? Then you are in the right place. So let's open our Photoshop first. If you don't download this yet, then you can check my description. I added a nice video link to download this Photoshop in free. Now the time is come to open our image inside this Photoshop. So select your image. First, you have to go on this button, object selection tool, and press right click on this. After that, you have to go on this first option, object selection tool. Now I want to select my whole image like this. Then you have to go on this select and mask and press left click on this. Here you can see the unnecessary part of our image is not gone yet perfectly. So first we have to zoom this part with our keyboard Alt key and mouse scroll button like this. To remove this unnecessary stuff perfectly, we have to go on this button, lasso tool, or you can also press L. Then you have to press our keyboard Alt key and mouse left key together and select all of this stuff like this. Do this part very carefully because this is the most important stuff. Select this. I want to remove this. So here you can see our unnecessary part is removed now. Also for this, press our Alt key and mouse left key together. Yes. Now same for our this part. Now for this part, same process. Press Alt key and mouse left key. Select this stuff that we have to remove. Now for this, now for this part, you can also zoom more for your comfort. Now here you can see the unnecessary part of our image is gone perfectly now. After this process, you can see here our edges of this image is very sharp. So now we have to remove these sharp images because we want to put this image on another background. So for that, you have to go on this button, Refine Edge Brush tool, select this. You can also increase this size, but this is perfect for me. Now we have to select our edges to remove our sharpness like this. Do this process for our whole image because we want to remove sharpness. You can see this. Some kind of sharpness is gone. You can press more if you want to remove sharpness more and more. Now you can see this. Our image is perfect now. So now you have to go on this button, output 2, and press on this new layer and press OK. So here you can see our image is now edited with our background change. So now you have to go on these channels and layers. So here is the original picture and here is our background copy. So now we have to import a nice background. I want this image for my background. So for that you have to go on this file button first and click on this button, place embedded. Then here you have to select your image that you have to put inside your background and click on this place button. So here you can see our image is now added. So now select for our whole part. The image is selected now. So now you have to drag this background to our background copy like this. So you can see our background is changed successfully now. So now we have to save this image because our background is changed perfectly. So save this. Save on your computer. I want to save as JPEG format. My pick 1 and press on the save button. OK. So here you can see my pick 1 is added. Open it. So this is the nice final image that we made using Photoshop. So by this you can put any background image like city, nature, everything, and after then what you can post on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and show off to your friends with this awesome image. That's it guys. So if you really like this video, then give me thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.